Everyone thinks the best-selling metal table legs are automatically the best choice. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, you'll find that some hidden gems offer better style and strength. Product number 1, SMARTSD hairpin legs. Let's kick things off with the SMARTSD 16 hairpin furniture legs. Priced at just $19.99, these legs immediately caught my attention with their sleek design and impressive 4.8-star rating from over 16,500 reviews. If you want a stylish yet durable option for your next DIY project, this is worth a serious look. Perfect for coffee tables, desks, or even benches, they're designed to last. The pre-drilled mounting bracket makes installation a breeze, saving you time when putting together your latest creation. Plus, with rubber floor protectors included, you won't have to worry about scratching your floors. Now, some users mention that the legs could be a bit wobbly if not installed correctly. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the installation instructions and ensure everything is securely tightened, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, stylish solution for your DIY projects. Skip this one if you're after legs that can handle extreme weight without a solid base. For its price, you really can't go wrong with these. Now, if the weight capacity of the SMARTSD legs is a concern for you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, VEVOR hairpin table legs. Next up is the VEVOR hairpin table legs, standing at 20 tall and priced at $22.90. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 3,300 reviews, these legs promise strength and style. If you want something that can support a hefty tabletop, these might be just what you need. One of the standout features is their remarkable load capacity of 880 pounds. Each leg can handle up to 220 pounds, which means you can create sturdy furniture without worrying about stability. The powder-coated finish also prevents rusting, ensuring they'll look great for years. Installation is quick and easy thanks to the pre-drilled holes and included screws. However, a few reviews do mention that the paint finish can chip if not handled carefully. But honestly, that's something you can manage with good care during assembly. Just keep in mind that it might require a bit more attention. This is perfect for you if you're creating a heavy-duty table or bench. Skip this option if you're looking for something lightweight or more decorative. Considering the value, it's a solid investment for your furniture projects. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting a unique design. Product number 3, Tailakney trapezoid legs. Now let's talk about the Tailakney 16-inch metal bench legs. Priced at $33.95, these trapezoidal legs caught my eye with their modern design and 4.6-star rating from 1,000 reviews. If you want something that adds a contemporary flair to your furniture, these are worth a look. These legs are sturdy, made from heavy-duty metal pipes, and can support an impressive maximum weight of 1,000 pounds. That's right, you could build a robust coffee table or bench without worrying about stability. The smooth surface finish also resists peeling, meaning they'll stay looking fresh longer. The installation process is straightforward too, with pre-drilled holes for quick assembly. However, some users did find the installation instructions a bit lacking. Here's the thing though, if you're somewhat handy or can follow basic DIY guides, you won't have any trouble getting these legs set up properly. This is perfect for you if you want a strong and stylish base for a variety of DIY projects. Skip this if you're looking for something more traditional. The price point is justified given the quality and design. Now, if you're more into traditional styles, the next product is a great choice. Product number 4, Licopop Z-shaped legs. Next on the list are the Licopop 16 metal bench, desk, and coffee table legs, retailing for $31.99. With an impressive rating of 4.8 stars from 763 reviews, these Z-shaped legs are definitely eye-catching. If you're all about modern aesthetics, these may be your best bet. The Z-shaped design not only adds an aesthetic appeal but also enhances stability. The adjustable foot pads are a nice touch, allowing you to stabilize your table on uneven floors. Plus, the heavy-duty construction means these legs can withstand a good amount of weight. That being said, a few users mentioned that the legs could be a bit tricky to level correctly. I'll be real with you, if you're not comfortable with tweaking things a bit, this might not be your ideal choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking to create a contemporary piece of furniture that stands out. Skip this if you prefer a straightforward design. For the price, you're getting a unique design that delivers on quality. Now, if you want something that's built to last, let's check out our final product. Product number 5, ALLCOS bench legs. Finally, we have the ALLCOS bench legs, which are 16 inches tall and priced at $39.99. With a 4.5-star rating from 555 reviews, these legs offer a solid option for anyone looking to build a variety of furniture. If durability is your main concern, this is worth considering. These legs are made of sturdy iron and can support a whopping 1,000 pounds. The black baking finish not only looks great, but also prevents scratches and scuffing on your floors. Installation is straightforward with pre-drilled holes and screws included, making it accessible for any DIYer. However, some users noted that the legs are a bit heavier than expected. But honestly, that weight contributes to the stability and sturdiness, which is a great trade-off in my opinion. This is perfect for you if you're after a heavy-duty solution for your DIY projects. Skip this if you need something lightweight or portable. Given the durability, it's a good investment for any furniture enthusiast. So there you have it, 5 solid options for metal table legs. From the stylish SMARTSTANDARD hairpin legs to the heavy-duty ALLCOS, there's something for every project. Depending on your needs, whether it's weight capacity, style, or ease of installation, you can find the perfect legs to support your next DIY creation.